Welcome back to Nook's Kitchen. We are going to be making guacamole today. It's delicious, it's very easy to make, and simple ingredients. So let's get started. We have avocados, jalapenos, green onions, cilantro. This is red onion. You can use whichever onions you want, red, white, yellow, your choice. Lemon, pepper, and salt. And if you like it, you might also use cumin. But today I'm not going to use cumin. Chopping the vegetables. I like my guacamole spicy, so I'm going to put 2 cayenne peppers, 2 chilies. Give it a little spicy taste or hot taste. Okay, time to cut the avocado. They're perfectly ripened. Oops, this one is a little too ripe. Scooping the avocado out from the skin. They are perfect. Wow. This is going to be delicious. Yum, yum. Okay, time to mix our ingredients in the avocado. I'm going to put everything in there. Lemon. I'm going to use one whole lemon. Salt. Pepper. Mix well. You know, I'm eating this as a salad sometimes, and put it on the salad or just eat it by itself as a snack. Look at the texture. This is perfect. It's not too thick. It's just right. I think that's it. So let's taste it. Just right. Perfect. Ooh, a little spicy. I hope we are serving this guacamole with tortilla chips, and it's going to be delicious. Now look at this. Doesn't it look great? It looks delicious, doesn't it? One thing left to do. Cheers! Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you.